Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we solve your WhatsApp images not shown in your iPhone gallery. So let's start how to do it. So firstly go to your WhatsApp and here you see some images on my WhatsApp chat. So go to photos and here you see that photo is not shown in my photo gallery. So I send a one photo by another phone. Okay, I got it. And then check in my iPhone photo galleries. But they are not seen that photo. In my iPhone gallery, WhatsApp image is not shown and received. So go to your setting option. Then search here. WhatsApp setting. Okay. Then click on photos and select all photos to access all photo in your gallery. So again go to your WhatsApp and click on setting option, click on chart and save to camera roll turn on. Now here we see I sent a photo on WhatsApp chat by another phone. Okay, then now we check to our photo gallery. Open your photo gallery and click on WhatsApp folder. Now you can see your WhatsApp images is showing in your gallery. That image is okay. If you like my video, please subscribe and like with your friends and give your feedback in the comment box for make more videos with new ideas and Android tricks for you. So we meet in the next video. Then bye bye.